When you have to change thread color often on your sewing machine, it can be very tedious to follow the thread all the way down, around, and through all the various places to get to your needle. If the eye of your needle is big enough, you can do an overhand knot like this. Then you simply pull the thread through and the thread color will change. This becomes more complicated when you have a home use serger like this, which has 2 lower loopers and 2 needles. Individually threading each of these takes a very long time. Knot the new threads to the old threads of the serger and then raise your presser foot. These needles are too small, have a too small of an eye to pull through a knot. So once the lower looper threads are changed to cream, we can address pulling on the red threads for the needles individually. And once they're through, we trim above where the knot is, and then can use tweezers to thread the needles themselves.